Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Triple B Collectibles and Bergie's Box Breaks. And me, Bergie, come to you with a 2020 Topps Gypsy Queen Baseball 2-box break. Pick a teams number 2. So we have here pick a teams all done. It's 8:10 p.m. It is April 16th, 2020. Let's just take it over to the list real quick here, and I'll show you who's in the break. So Diego T, you got the Arizona Diamondbacks. Aponless, Braves. DFS Jerk, Orioles. DFS Jerk, last spot mojo on those Red Sox. Second man's got the Cubs. JPB 108 with the Chicago White Sox. Dave N with the Reds. Coach Baby, you got the Indians. Diego T's got the Rockies and the Tigers. DFS Jerk's got the Astros and the Royals. Diego T's got the Angels. Aponless has got the Dodgers. Roger S with the Marlins. Ryan E with the Brewers. Diego T with the Twins. JPB with the Mets. Tautong King, you've got the Yankees. RBC Incorporated with the Athletics. Dave N with the Phillies. Diego T with the Pirates. Aponless with the Padres. Ryan E with the Giants. DFS Jerk with the Mariners. Diego T with the Cardinals. Aponless, you've got the Tampa Bay Rays. Diego T with the Rangers. Rod A with the Toronto Blue Jays. And the Washington Nationals go to Roger S. So I've already put these guys all over on the other side there. We're going to go over to this side of the street here. We're going to take this away, put that away like that. So, oops, what happened here? It did not copy. It's not an OPG break. Let's see. Let's save again and see what happens. There it is. So, your names are floating on the bottom. I'm over here. I'm going to move over to that other screen that's over there. So, and we're going to get at it. Good luck. Here we go. I got my list printed out. All right, there. So this is a 2-box break. Gypsy Queen, everything ships. So we're going to do the same thing like I did the last break when I just did the OPG Platinum. We're just going to open up all the boxes. We're going to open up all the packs. Here's our topper. Empty box, empty box. Here's our topper. 3 chrome cards inside. Love it. Empty box. All right. Next breaks that we put up in the store for baseball will be no base shipping. So here we go. I'm just going to kind of open these up. We'll get a few open. And we'll take a gander at them, you know. We'll take a look. So your base cards will not be sleeved or top loaded or anything crazy like that. Your autographs will be, your hits will be, your numbered cards will be. So. But everything does ship. It'll be teamed up, bagged up, sorted out. The wife will be sorting it out. So I think once I get through one stack, we'll look at it and then we'll move it off to the side. So good luck to everybody. Boston, I see you don't have the last spot mojo floating on the bottom, but you should have a last spot mojo. So, okay, put that like that. All right, so let's see what we got here. Gypsy Queen, good stuff. Got the little minis in them and all kinds of fun stuff in them. So, all right, here we go. Almost here we go. So, base cards. Rookie card. Nunez. Walker. Dixon. Congratulations. There is your first one. Boom. Autograph of Diaz. Rookie card. Miami. You on the board. Roger S. There you go, sir. $60 out of 99. Not bad at all. 60 out of 99. Congrats. Rookie card of Garcia. Base. Gilia. Cease. Morgan. Vato. Chavez. Vasquez. Rookie card of McKay. Theus, rookie card. There you go with Harvey. That is that's 44 out of 150. Baltimore. DFS Jerk. I believe that was one of the teams that was picked up today. Yeah. There you go. And we've just begun, so. Ruxton. Rookie card of Puck. Nice. There is our fortune teller card. Minnesota Twins, my boys. Big Poppy. We're going to call him Big Poppy 2. William Astudillo. Come on, Bergie. You can get it in there. Zoom. I need those big, tall boys. Those tall ones. Famous, Mahler, Kingery, Bieber, Muniz, Nolan. There's our second. 158 out of 250. Jean Segura. That is for the Philadelphia Phillies. That would be. We got another. So we got another fortune teller. He's just hanging out there, man. Washington. Max Schweitzer. Washington Nationals. Roger S. He was just kind of hanging out. I went to grab the pack, and he's just like, "Hey, hi, how you doing?" I'm like, "Hey, how you doing? Hey." There you go. Yeah, might as well throw that one in the top loader too. I'm at it. Alright, grabbing another stack. Here we go. Good luck on the way. Rookie card of Starling. Acuna Jr. Chapman. Nola. Harvey, rookie. Bradley, rookie. Class, rookie. Dimitri. And Lux. Nice card with Lux. Judge. And another one of Easelman. And rookie card. Congratulations. Here is your other autograph. Nice autograph. I love these on-card autographs. Alvarez of Houston. Houston, we have ignition. Boom. Told you. Houston sat there forever and ever and ever and ever and ever. And then finally somebody came in and said, okay, finally I'll buy it. DFS Jerk. Well, there you go. Pays off, man. You got Alvarez, rookie card, autograph. Boom. Again, when you feel the itch, you scratch it and you take all the teams like DFS Jerk did. Rogers, Grimshaw, Bell, Lewis, and as he said in chat before, he says, you know, those last teams usually pick up some really good stuff, and they have. I just gotta laugh, man, because it's so true. It's so true. They sit around and they sit around. There you go. Thunder. We got some thunder. Alonso, New York Mets. New York Mets is JPB 108. There you are, sir. Little thunder card. Thunderdome rookie. Gallen, Lopez, and then that's your base. Whoa! Dang. Sorry about that. It's getting too dark in my room. So, it's getting just too dark. There we go. There's that. Let's go on to the next stack. So, we got a nice big stack of rookies. Nice autographs. Alright, so let's go to the next stack and let's rip it open, see what we get, and stack them up. I believe there should be another one. Should be at least 2 more autographs. And what is it, a relic? Is it 2 autos and a relic and Gypsy Queen? I forget. I didn't even look at the box. They usually say on the box, I'm usually like, yo, it's this and this and that. So. Oh, come on. Told you I'm getting tired. I've been up too early this morning again. I'm trying to sleep in later, but 7:30 wasn't late enough for me. What? 7:30, Bergie? Yeah, I slept in today. I was being lazy. Okay, let's get the camera straight. Let's get it right. Are we back in focus again? I hope so. Hello, here we go. Rookie card, Rodriguez. Last no, Yates, Keller, Libra, Hilliard, Crawford, May, Story. I'm just going to keep going. I'll put them in the penny sleeve top loader pile. And there's a Shoatani fortune teller. Very nice. Angels. Diego T. Congratulations. There's that. Rookie card, Robert. Bo Bichette. Nice rookie card there. Aquino. Viez. Webb. Davis. Pujols. No name. Chicago White Sox. Gotta like those ones. Fernandez. Duggar. Dug it out. Bo Bichette. Bam. Bo Bichette. Toronto. Rod A. There you go, Rod. Congratulations. Get yourself a couple Bo Bichettes now. There you go, man. Congrats. All right. Smith. Yamamoto. Rookie card. Springer. Astros. Thunder card. Hager. Gray. And Hampson. Alright, so we'll put those over there like that. Boom, boom, boom. All right. Some more plastic, some rookies, some parallels. All right, here we go. Off and away. We'll just open up all the rest of these. And we'll kind of fly through them. Like I said, this will be the last break of the night, probably for me. So, good luck to everybody. Static Cling, get off of me. Damn wrapper did not want to leave my hand. It was just being electrified. Wow. Okay, that one did not want to rip at all. Sometimes you get a pack that just does not want to rip. Sometimes it does. Okay, here we go. Put them up there. Good luck. Off and away we go. Allen rookie card, Indians. Tall boy. See, I told you. There was a... See, this thing does not want to leave my hand. Look at it. It's like static electricity on my gloves. I've got a static personality. Oh, it's not. It's like 900 degrees in this house right now. My blood sugar's really high. So I gotta get done with this break. Acuna Jr. I can feel myself getting dingy. Everybody's right now going, Bergie, you're already dingy. Shut up. Jane, Rozio, Devers, Holt, Nola, Elizola, Meadows, Sanders, Lambert, Trout, Lorenzo, Dean, Woodford, Bergman. What? Diaz rookie card. Calhoun, Ramirez, Sanchez, France, Solk rookie card. No name, Texas Rangers, Diego T. Ran out of my 50s. All right. Rookie card. Mendez, Dub, Yelich, Means, Guerrero, Diaz, Murphy, rookie. Okay. Wow. Another one. Fernando Tatis Jr., San Diego. There you go. Uponless. These 5 boxes that I got were actually not bad for tall boys. I have to give you that. So these cards, these tall boys that have come out of here, not bad. Not bad at all. Matter of fact, the autograph is sitting back there, which I'm going to put right there because we'll get to it. So that's kind of funny. Brown rookie card. Exit Chapman. Yankees. Kang. Yeah, rookie card. And our autograph is going to be of, boom, St. Louis Cardinals. Diego T. DeYoung. Paul DeYoung. DeJong. There you go, man. Nice on card. Very nice. Congratulations, Diego T. Very nice. All right, rookie Smith. Robert. Had a couple of Roberts already today. Zick Collins. Whoops. And Martinez, numbered to 250, 152 out of 250. J.D. Martinez for the Boston Red Sox. Last spot, Mojo. There you go. J.D. Martinez. Get in there. That's DFS the Jerk. All right, last stack. Good luck. Here we go. Marvel with the rookie. There is our Houston Astros. Look at that. Alvarez. Houston. Fortune teller. Wow, I wonder what's going to be in that last box, my 5th box of this stuff. So we pulled a couple of Alvarez's. We pulled a couple of Bobichette's, tall boys like that. We actually pulled some really nice cards out of this stuff. Some nice autographs. Done. Duger. Young. There's a Joker, Bergman. Yep. There you go. Houston. That'd be DFS the Jerk. I'm thinking right. Yep. Rookie card Casey. Great. I'm just going to grab these here real quick. Move them over there like that. Grab the last stack. All right, here we go. Good luck. Garcia, Cubs. Altuve. Alvarez. And we got ourselves a Yelich. Christian Yelich. Milwaukee Brewers. Way to go, Brewers. Ryan E. Yelich, fortune teller. One of those tall guys. Acuna, rookie, nice. Kendrick, Hernandez, Texas Rangers. Murfield, Nola, rock and rolla. Wong, rookie card, San Francisco. And we have a redemption card as an auto. Puck, Weber, Harper, Thames, Swanson, Fernandez, Rogers, Prince, 147 out of 250. Justin Verlander. Houston. Again. Houston. So there's been a Houston and a Toronto kind of thing, maybe? A little Houston, a little Toronto? Yeah. A little bit. Alright, here we go. Last few cards, and then we'll get that autograph card, that redemption. King of Swords, there you go. Chris Bryant, Chicago Cubs. Nice hit there. Sega Man with that. And your redemption card back here is of, congratulations, you've got yourself a Gypsy Queen autograph of Gio Urshela? I don't know where he plays at. I'd have to go figure it out. I have to go check it out. So, Gio. Let me think about this. All right, so let's open up this one pack here and see what we got here. These are your lovely chrome cards inside. So, Oakland Athletics with Simeon. I don't have any 55 pointers. I want 55s for these because these are actually a little bit thicker. So, Houston Astros. Oakland Athletics, by the way, Oakland was RBC Incorporated. And then Gurley, first baseman, Houston Astros. That is our friend. And you know him as DFS the Jerk. And then the New York Yankees, Paxton. That is going out to Taotong Kang. So, there you go, sir. Congratulations on that hit. Urshela. I'm going to think about it. Urshela. My brain ain't wrapping around it. So, Reyes, Cleveland Indians. That is a gold. That is a gold-looking card. It's actually silver, but it's cool. Cleveland. Coach, baby. There you go. Next one is New York Yankees. New York Yankees didn't get anything until these cards. Look at this, man. Yankees just pounding it out now. Chapman. There you go, Kang. Congratulations. Number 4 out of 5. Wow. Boom. Bam. Yeah. There you go. Oops. 4 out of 5. So what the hell is going on with my camera? It's getting crazy. And then the Houston Astros. Brantley. So Houston. DFS Jerk. There you go. So 4 out of 5. Do we have any other numbers on the back end of those? Let me see. That one here, I believe, was number 2. 60 out of 150. Yeah. So sorry if I didn't show that. Of Simeon. 60 out of 150. And then the other one had a 4 out of 5. So very nice. That's it. We're just going to slide over real quickly. And I'm going to look up this guy so you guys can see it online. And I'll find out who it is and who he is. Just got to move our microphone over. Man, this stuff did not go in my... This did not... Man, it's all full of static. That's the most static I've ever seen in my entire life. And tops. So let's just walk over here real quick. I'm going to grab a page. Go like that. And we're just going to type in Gio. U-R-S-H. Gio. U-R-S-H-E-L-A. Yankees. I was thinking Yankees. Yeah. There is New York Yankees. So I'm just going to write on the outside of this thing, Yankees. New York Yankees. So that is going to Kang. Congratulations, Kang. So that's all I have, folks. That's all we got. Thanks for getting in. Thanks for killing the break. DFS Jerk, thank you. Diego, thank you. Coach Baby, JPB, Sega Man, Eponless, Kang, congratulations. That's your card. So, that's all I have. That's all I got. Thanks for watching on Birdie with Triple E Collectibles and Birdie's Box Breaks. Later.